Okay, so right now we're out in the field. We got some cars over here, and today we're gonna be shooting rollers. I'm super excited about this. To kick things off, we went on a quick test run just to get our settings right. I used my shoes as a subject and ended up settling with a shutter speed of 1/40th of a second, an aperture of f10, and an ISO of 100. As soon as we had our settings locked in, we had a chat with the drivers, then took off again for a shot at some rollers. Our first shots came back alright, but we realized that they looked best when the subject was really close. So we asked the driver to get as close as he could and gave it another shot. The composition, this setup was really nice. We were able to use the double yellow as a leading line and position the Civic in the left third of the frame. You're gonna want a really slow shutter speed for these. So we're talking like 1/40 to 1/25. And then you're really gonna wanna close off your aperture. So just get your aperture as small as you can so that there's like less light hitting your sensor. So for me, I'm shooting it between f10 and f18. The other tip is when you're shooting with your aperture really closed off like that, you've got a wider depth of field. So you're really gonna wanna make sure that your sensor and that your lenses are clean. If they're not clean, you're gonna get these little dust particles that you're gonna have to edit out in post. As you can see, I should have taken my own advice and really cleaned my sensor well. In all of my photos from the day, there are dust particles in the bottom right corner. While it's not hard to edit these spots out in post, it's still an extra step that could be avoided with a bit of effort up front. If you got value from this video or learned something, go ahead and give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you guys next week with another Let's Shoot video. Peace.